Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to use multiple desktops in Windows 10. So let's get started. So you can see I have opened the multiple software. So I'm facing the difficulty to use this software. So for example, I'm using Chrome browser. So at the same time, I need Microsoft Edge and also the other software, Word and File Explorer. So this is going to mess up your home screen. So to settle this, here you can see this option, Task View. So simply click on it. So here you can see this is the software that I am using. So to settle this, simply right click on any software, for example File Explorer. So right click on it and here you can see the option of move to. So click on new desktop. So you can see File Explorer is moved to new desktop. So you can see we have moved the File Explorer in separate desktop to use it easily. So we are going to move this software also in the separate desktop. So again right click on it, in move to click on new desktop. So you can see we have moved all the softwares in separate desktop. So for example in desktop 4 you can see File Explorer, and in 5 Microsoft Word, in 6 Microsoft Edge, and in 7 Google Chrome. So this process helps to use this software easily. So you can also create the multiple desktop in Windows 10 by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.